Today, Mom prepares the same dish in two variants, one for vegans and one for those who indulge in flavor. Which one will taste better? If you want to cook with us, vegan versus decadent, get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! Today I wanted to make one recipe but with two versions, one vegan and one decadent. Let's start! Step number 1. I make special homemade pasta, mezze maniche.
Let's start by preparing the fresh pasta. Let's see how it's done. You just need 2 ingredients, some semolina and warm water. Knead until everything is well mixed. The dough should be neither too hard nor too soft.
Now that the dough is ready, cover it and let it take rest.
After resting for 15 minutes, let's continue with the dough. Make a roll. If the roll breaks easily, it means that you have used too much semolina. In this case, knead the dough again, adding some water. On the contrary, if the dough is too sticky, add some semolina and knead again. When the roll is ready, you have to cut it into equal pieces. Put a stick in it and roll it out to the size you want. Put the mezze maniche to dry standing so they can keep the round shape without folding into itself.
If you like pasta fresca, watch my playlist. Step number 2. I make pistachio pesto.
Now let's blend. Use natural pistachios only. No salted or sweetened pistachios. If they have shells, remove them. Add some basil and a little oil. Just kidding, a lot of oil. Salt and lemon zest. Put baking paper on top of the grater. This is so the lemon doesn't stick to the grater and go to waste. Now blend. Normally, water is added to achieve a fine grinding of the pistachios. However, we don't add it because Mom likes to see the effect of coarse ground pistachios on the pasta. Add some ground pepper if you like it.
The pistachio pesto is ready. Half for decadent and half for vegan. Step number 3. I cooked the vegan pasta. I have all ingredients for make the vegan pasta. Cherry tomato, pistachio pesto, extra virgin olive oil and spring onion. I start to warm my water.
While the water boils, cut the leeks and the tomatoes. Mom couldn't use a knife like all mortals do, but the only irreplaceable one, the Chinese knife.
The spring onion is ready. Now I have to cut my tomato. And I cut with my Chinese knife. Subscribe. In a pan, I put extra virgin olive oil. My spring onion. I on the fire. Don't let the spring onion to become brownie.
It's brown, Mom, not brownie. These tomatoes have to be cooked with very high fire. However, you do not need to cook them for a long time.
The salt here and here. And now, the pasta.
Get your pistachio pesto and add some water to dilute it.
Listen.
Pour it in the pan.
The vegan recipe is ready. But I want to try now. I don't want to wait the my mania moment. Try. È buonissima! Step number 4. Decadent version. In Italy, I tell there porca or zozza. You give me another idea for call this pasta. Write in comment below. I show you the ingredients and you understand why I call porca. Guanciale, grana, cooking cream, pistachio pesto.
Mom cuts the guanciale into thick cubes because she doesn't want it to be all crunchy but a bit soft inside. Now we thin the pesto out as we did for the vegan dish, but we use cooking cream instead of water.
I put the guanciale in the pan.
No need of any oil.
On the fire.
You see how the mezza maniche are a bit singed? Now add a bit of water. We don't want the pasta totally burnt. Add pistachio pesto, and if necessary, a little more cooking water. Grate pecorino cheese on top, and we are done.
The version porca is ready. I try. Sozzissima. Step number 5. Magna moment. The two versions are ready. Vegan and porca. Buonissime tutte e due. The vegan è buonissima. It's cheap. Why don't make the vegan? And this is porca. Which one I like more? I tell you in the next video. If you like this video, subscribe and push the bell. Always push the bell. Every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
Well, it seems my younger sisters agree with Mom that this new recipe is really yummy.
Buonissima! Tutto nel mio belly! Bye, Toni's home.